Hello and welcome back. So in this video, we will be covering some miscellaneous topics regarding to the numbers. So first of all, if you have some like big numbers, so how you can write them in Python. So suppose you have a uh, big underscore num equals to like 28 288 0000000. So this is quite a big number, and if you are writing some this sort of numbers with the help of some external documents, there sometimes you might be facing some troubles counting the zeros and so on and so forth. So what you can do, like if I print uh, print the big num, save that, and then if I run this program, so this is printing as it is, so which we expect. Now what we can do for the sake of us, so like 1 2 3, and then we can insert an underscore, then 1 2 3 we can insert another underscore, and 1 2 3 we can insert another underscore, and 1 2 3 we can insert another underscore. So yeah, this is the our big number. But now if we run this program again, see the underscores which we inserted for just to like break the big numbers into the smaller chunks. It is not affecting the number at all. So whenever you are dealing with some sort of big numbers, you can use that, but please make sure it is only working with numbers. It will not work with strings. Okay, if you have the strings, so suppose I'm converting this number to a string, okay, and then print this one. As you can see, the underscores are there, so please make sure it is only working with numbers. Okay, now another thing which I do not use personally that much, but it sometimes might be helpful, but it makes the code a bit more complex, is the multiple assignments. Suppose you want to assign three variables: x equals to 4 or 5, y equals to 6, and z equals to 7. Suppose something like that. You want to do this, right? And then if I do print x comma y comma z, you can do that, by the way, to use like you can do that to print out multiple variables in the same line. So I am just commenting this out, the big num. So now if I print that, then we are getting the 5 6 and 7 here. But we have a shorthand syntax for that as well. So if I comment this out and then I do x comma y comma z, okay, not x z, equals to like 40 comma 60 comma 80, something like that. Now what will happen, Python will declare three variables. uh, the first one will be x, which has the value of 40. The second one will be y, which has the value of 60, and the third one will be z, which has the value of 80. So if I print out this, okay, again getting that temporary file error, I just save that, and yeah, there we go. We have the 40 60 and 80 printed. So this may be helpful, maybe not. In many of the like, what do I say, many of the languages it is being supported as well, but I haven't seen much of this use. But yeah, it is good to know. Now another one is that many of the time what you have some of the constant numbers or some constant variables. So I think I have covered that in the variable naming section. So if you have some sort of constant number, suppose you have the math like the pi, which is equals to 3.14, just the approximation. If you have something like that, then what is the like the convention? If you have something constant, then the convention is, suppose I'm doing math underscore pi, so we use all of the capital letters and with underscores, and then we declare like 3.14, something like that. And see that this pi this was not the constant. So this has the red color, and the VS Code is pretty smart, and it knows, okay, this math pi is a constant because we are writing the variable name in the capital letters. So VS Code knows, okay, this is a constant, so uh, it is giving us the different colors. So if you are dealing with some of the constants, then please make sure that you use the math dot, not math, use the capital letters with the underscores for the naming of the variable. And if it is changing, then do not use this syntax. Use like the small letters. So yeah, that is it for the like some of the miscellaneous number things. So yeah, that was it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one.